Cleaning your teeth helps prevent plaque buildup and the damage to teeth and gums caused by the bacteria it contains. But are you using the best toothbrush for the job? In 2014, the Cochrane Oral Health Group published a review of over 50 studies in which participants' removal of plaque and reduction in gingivitis, commonly known as gum disease, was assessed after they were randomly given a manual or electric toothbrush. The review found that an electric toothbrush provided greater benefit to oral hygiene and health than a manual toothbrush. After 3 months, the prevalence of gingivitis was reduced by 11% in the group using electric toothbrushes, and they had as much as 21% less plaque than those using a manual toothbrush. So if you don't have an electric toothbrush, it might be time to make the switch. And while you're at it, always remember to floss.